Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Sneaker Rehab. So today's video we're gonna do air oil separator. So what I bought is a Moroso oil separator. So I was kind of contemplating between that one and the IAG one. The IAG is like $400, but I wanted to try this brand out. It was like $200, so it was pretty friendly in terms of cost. So let me go ahead and show you. So pretty much the bracket's going to connect here and the aero separator is going to be here. And you got to run the lines and everything. And this is what it looks like. So yeah, it should be pretty easy. And this is my boy's new toy. This is Darian, the master tech. So, all right, let's get into it.
Get the shits. Oh no. Is this in there?
So Darian, tell the people why you put a Teflon.
Okay, so it's basically like plumbing. Basics is like if you have a fluid running through a solid, you need something to go over the threads, because there's threads on these AN fittings. They're not AN fittings, but the style is, sort of like an AN fitting. So you don't want any leaking of fluid, because this is going into the crankcase ventilation, is what the professional term is.
There you have it.
Yeah.
That's pretty
I'm
much
just
it.
getting nervous.
It's alright, it's alright.
So basically, you want something to prevent fluid and pressure. There's basically like, the way I think of it is like condensation. When an engine is hot, it tends to create like small gases. So when the car is on, it's burnt, it's hot, and oil kind of contains the liquid, obviously, and it'll bubble up. And if you don't have a crankcase ventilation system in the car, what you see is when you open the oil cap, the yellow tint or white stuff that's on the cap is your crankcase ventilation. So when you're pushing more than factory specs, you have more crankcase pressure and it has nowhere else to go. So now if you have direct injection straight into the cylinder, that's how you get carbon buildup. But the old style is port injection, where the injectors are in the intake manifold going into the cylinder head.
And the problem with these cars is that there's a lot of carbon buildup.
Yeah.
So that's where a lot of people run into issues and problems and just annoying stuff. So, and that's why you need the AOS system. Especially if you do a lot of hard driving, maybe with autocross track, the car gets peed on, gets taken care of. Take care of it and everything, but you gotta do your proper maintenance and buy the correct parts. So as he's tightening the fittings and everything, let's check it out. Fucking missed that new car smell. Sorry if it's kind of hard to see, but it's just dope. Sick.
You're now listening to A-Rod Music.
product. So 1/2 inch goes there, 3/8 up towards the right side, towards the firewall area, and zip tied there. And yeah, that's it. So for every WRX that's track day or autocross, even if you just, I don't know, daily driving, I would just recommend it. Just because, like we were saying, we getting like carbon buildup and all that. So yeah, that's it. Thank you to Darian. I'll put his IG in the bottom. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching. New vlogs hopefully coming soon. Hopefully I don't get lazy or not. So but yeah, get ready for some new content. Make sure to subscribe. Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, all that at the Sneaker Rehab. So, alright guys, take care.